how to fix external microphone not working in Windows 11. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix an external microphone that's not working on Windows 11. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, check if your microphone has a physical mute or unmute button. Sometimes there's a small switch on the side or top. Make sure it's not set to mute. Next, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and find the sound icon on the taskbar. Right-click the sound icon and choose Sound Settings. In the window that opens, scroll down to the Input section. Make sure the external microphone you just plugged in is selected here. If it's showing up, click to select it. Once you select it, scroll down a little further and check that it's not muted. And you can also adjust the input volume slider to increase the microphone level. If your microphone still isn't working or you don't see it listed, try unplugging it and plugging it back in. You can also test a different USB or audio port if you have one available. If it's still not showing up, go back into Sound Settings and scroll down until you see more sound settings, then click it. In the pop-up window, go to the Recording tab. Look for your microphone in the list. If you see it, but it looks grayed out or disabled, right-click it and select Enable. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy guides. Thanks for watching.